Hello everyone, how are you all? I am Sarthak and welcome to the channel The Financial Edge. In today's video, we will be studying the charts of three particular companies and try to gauge our opinion about its future prospective movement, right? We will be focusing majorly on the price action for an analysis with little support of the indicators. So let's start with our first company, that is Graphite India, which I think is beautifully placed on the charts with the formation of cup and handle, which is considered to be a strong bullish chart pattern, right? So a prior good up move, then a rounding base with a handle that is sustaining at the resistance, right? So it is respecting the resistance and also sustaining just below it and forming a good base for the breakout to happen with good volumes, so that the breakout also sustains, right? So the levels to watch out for in the immediate near future can be 660 if we round it up, right? 660 and around 740, right? 660 and 740 can be the levels to be watch out for Graphite India, right? So the next stock for today is our very well known Adani Enterprises. As we can see, after the fall on the basis of the allegations and the news, the stock tried to sustain itself nicely and also forming kind of an higher high, higher lows structure on the chart, right? With good volume spikes as well on the positive side. It is now sustaining exactly at the resistance from where the fall had started, right? And it is sustaining nicely there. So we can expect to have a breakout with supporting volume spikes, and the levels to watch out for can be around 3550 and 3875, which makes it a good candidate to be kept on our watch list, right? So the third and the last chart for today is Eleconengineering. Again, a very nicely structured chart with a formation of W and then a good consolidation and a breakout after that with huge spike in the volumes, a retest and a breakout, right? I just love such kind of charts. They kind of following step by step bookish guide for the breakout, right? So yeah, and again it is at an all-time high. So the levels we can watch out for can be the rounding levels, such as the next level can be of 1200 and thereafter, right? So I hope you like the video. That's it for today. See you in the next video.